Step 1. Check to make sure the keyboard or mouse is plugged in. If it is plugged in, try a different USB port. The reason you would try to use a different USB port is because sometimes the USB ports go bad. Step 2. If troubleshooting a wireless keyboard or mouse, try replacing the batteries with a new set. Though it doesn't happen often, the batteries do die and will need to be replaced. Step 3. Make sure the receiver is as close to the wireless device as possible. Your wireless device needs a clear line of sight to communicate with the receiver. If something is in the way, it could stop the device from communicating correctly. If none of these steps corrected the problem, then you will need to purchase a new mouse or keyboard. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.